Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mycelia. First, let's get everything ready for an exciting game. Place the main game board in the center of your table. Each player selects a color and gathers their matching player board, starting deck and tokens. Shuffle the main deck and deal out the initial cards. Don't forget to set up the resource tokens and the day and night tracker nearby. You're almost ready to begin your fungal adventure. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay loop of Mycelia. Each round is divided into two distinct phases, day and night. During the day, players draw 5 cards from their personal deck. You'll then play these cards to gather valuable resources and trigger powerful abilities. After playing, you can spend your collected resources to purchase new, stronger cards from the central market, enhancing your deck for future rounds. Understanding your cards is key to mastering Mycelia. You'll encounter various types, including action cards that grant immediate resources or effects when played. Permanent cards, once played, provide continuous benefits round after round. Many cards also help you clear dewdrops from your player board, which is crucial for unlocking more powerful actions. Combining these card effects strategically will lead to highly efficient and impactful turns. Finally, let's talk about how to win Mycelia. The game concludes when a specific endgame condition is triggered, often related to clearing a certain number of dewdrops or purchasing a set amount of cards. Once the game ends, players tally their victory points from all collected cards and any cleared dewdrops on their player board. The player who has accumulated the highest total of victory points is declared the winner. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.